Hi.
Yeah, thank you for joining interview. So could you please tell me about yourself and your roles and responsibilities?
Yeah, sure. Hi, I am Aravind Kumar. As working with Linsup Solutions, I have 5.2 years of experience in performance testing. From that, 3.2 years of experience in load under and 2 years of experience in JMeter. I have worked on different projects and different protocols like HTTP, HTML, and web service protocol. I have prepared documentation in every project in past, like that POC, NFR, test plan, workload model. After complete the documentation, then I will go to the scripting enhancement based on that correlation, parameterization, checkpoints, and some scripting challenges and file operations. Then I will complete my scripting enhancement. Then I will prepare the test data. The test data will push the into performance center. Here I will design the scenarios with the help of the load testing, spike testing, endurance, and volume testing and baseline testing. After complete the my scenario designs, then I will move to the analysis. I will check the here my derivative statistics are compared with expert statistics. Both are completed. My script is completed. Both are not completed. I will identify the root cause. Where could be the problem? Client side or server side, app side, DB side. After complete the identify issue. After fix that issue, after I will prepare the report. That report I will send to the client. Usually, I am following this way. Hello.
Sorry, yeah. When you can start the POC?
POC means I want first I will identify the POC. POC means we try to application architecture and what kind of application it is, which technology they use to develop the application, and which complexity of the application, and which mechanism communication they use application. As part of POC, I am recording a simple business zero to expected average response time, and which tool is compatible, and if load runner is compatible, which protocol is compatible, single or other multiple protocol. After which tool is by the client, and which protocol is by the client, and how many labors did have to the complete the our application.
Okay. So what are the non-functional requirements?
Non-functional requirement means have to prepare the non-functional requirement with help of the business analyst people. Non-functional requirement gather contains use cases, business flow, CBTs, expect average response time through half hours, peak hours, and threshold like CPU, memory, swapping, and what kind of test gathered involved in the script in terms of failure, serviceable, recoverable, and baseline and benchmarking. After complete the NFR, we have to approved by infrastructure team and project people and network team or DB team or stakeholders.
Who will provide the NFR?
As based on the client is provided, business analyst people
And
or
if
project.
client will be don't know from this application, then what is your approach?
Sorry.
Actually, non-functional requirements gathered by client, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
if client is not provided, so what is your approach? How to we can identify the non-functional requirements?
Actually, I'm following these three ways. First, I will follow in the client is not provided the NFR, so I will identify the application is already in production or not. I will check that. After that, I will check network utilities by Alexa.com and get the NFR in terms of our peak hours, number of users, and expect average response time for every page. After this, after completed, this is actually there are no products and the product is new. So I will try to understand the core business and convert the core business to online business, and I have to find the enough in terms of use cases, business flow, CBTs, number of users, and the number of transactions. In this situation, I have to ask some questions in business analytics people. What is that? How many of them do you have in correlation businesses, and how many of them do have to are registering the unregistered service, and how many the active users, and what is the daily active users, and what is your peak hours on your business. After I will gather the information, I will identify the number of users and the number of transactions. Whenever you don't have SLS, I have to conduct the baseline test to expect the average response time.
So maybe I will give for the one scenario. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. We have the 4.5 transactions. Okay.
Okay.
So I have the total 10 APIs. Okay. How to we can prepare the NFR?
Sorry, how many transactions?
Total 4.5 millions.
Okay.
Okay. Transaction per hour. Okay. You can assume
Okay.
as a per hour. Okay.
Okay.
So we have the 10 APIs. So how much TPS you are giving, and like what is the baseline you are thinking? What is the peak load? How we can design?
It's a product is new based or application already production.
Yes, already production. Okay, everything is application.
Okay. So actually, doesn't client doesn't know performance testing, right?
No, it's a client also know everything. Okay, client
Oh,
only
oh,
is provided as a.
yeah.
It is a
Okay.
4 lakh 4.5 million transactions happening.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, but is asking to the prepare the NFR for you, like NFR nothing but like what is the your baseline TPS,
Yes. Yes.
baseline users and peak load users and peak
Okay.
load TPS.
Okay.
So how will get the those details based on
I will.
that transactions?
Yeah. Yeah. I will preparing the workload model. After I will get the all of the details.
Yes, good workload model, right?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
like we have the total will be like per day is a 4.5 million transactions happening. How we can
Okay.
calculate from the as a TPS?
Uh, Actually, TPS means transaction per hour, right?
Transaction per second. I'm asking
Yes,
as
yes, yes.
transaction per second.
Okay. Actually, that is the peak hour, right? 4.5 million,
Yes,
right?
peak day, that
So,
is a peak day.
yes, yes. I'm calculate the facing calculation and think time. After that, I will identify the number of users and TPS and
No, no.
think time.
See, you can open a notepad or anything. Already
Okay.
given as a 4.5 millions.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Just
So
wait.
you need to identify the TPS. Yourself, you
Oh,
need to identify TPS.
uh, TPS, right?
Yes, already I given for the peak day value.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Daily value I given as a 18 to 24 hours value is a 4.5 millions. Okay.
Users are 4.5 million.
No, no, no.
Yes.
You not users. There is a transactions.
Okay.
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 Those are in
TPS are
transactions.
okay.
Transactions. Those are in daily
Okay.
value transaction. Peak day means 1 day transactions. Those are means in the one
Okay.
day is
Okay.
happening from the 4.5 million say.
Okay.
But I want from the TPS.
Okay. You want from TPS, right?
Yes.
Uh, so first I want to those information. That is the how much of number of users.
No, no, that will be no need. Now I want only TPS. Okay. So okay, no worry. Okay, we'll discuss. Okay, no. Like next, move to the next question. Okay. Workload model. What are the things we need to prepare the workload model? What are the things we can update in the workload model document before doing from the execution? What is the use of that workload model? Yeah, Arvind. 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 Are you there? Arvind. Yeah, Arvind. Prepare the workload model.
Workload model based on the preparing the pacing calculation and think time.
So how to you can calculate the pacing?
Pacing is delay between the time iterations. So I will calculate that. The formula is number of virtual user is equal to TPS into script execution time. So script execution time means think time, response time, and pacing.
Okay. Okay. For example, I will give one scenario pacing calculation.
Okay. Just
Okay.
wait. Yeah. Just wait 1 minute. I will share my screen.
Yeah, you can take okay, pen or paper, whatever maybe you can take. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Just 1 minute. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Note down. We have the
Yeah.
target transactions 1800 transactions per hour.
Okay.
1800 target transactions. Okay. And
Okay.
one script contain 30 transactions. Okay.
Okay.
And next one iteration is taking 30 seconds. Okay. How to you can calculate the pacing?
Okay.
Yeah.
Just wait. I will. So I'm using the Little's law formula.
Okay. Whatever maybe you can share your screen and show me.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yes. You can.
Yeah. Just wait. I will calculate. So I will open my notepad.
Okay. Okay.
Total get PT is equal to 1800 by 30. That is equal to 60. So one taking is 30 seconds. Oh. What is the think time?
Okay. We don't have anything time. Okay. You can yourself. You can choose.
Okay.
Using this type of things, right? We have the one
Yes.
more little slaw will be there. Do you know that?
Yes.
What
That
is that?
means uh, uh, You have to take a total target iterations. After you have to take the total iterations. After is equal,
formula will be there. Like
R is equal to P by I.
yeah. Before that, you want to R means how you'll get?
R means remaining time.
Yes, remaining time how you'll get?
Remaining time means I will get the first I will calculate the total target iteration. So that formula is hour means total target transaction by one script transaction.
Okay.
After I will calculate the iterations, total target number of iterations.
Okay.
Formula is total target iteration into one iteration time.
Okay, calculate.
Yeah. So 30.
Already total transactions already I provided, right?
Yes, yes.
Starting itself I provided.
Yes, yeah, 1800 one per hour, 1 hour.
Yes.
So I will calculate the total target iterations.
Yeah.
So the pacing is 60, right? Hello.
Yeah.
The pacing is 60.
How you are calculated?
Actually, total target is 1800 per hour. So
Okay.
one script contains 30 transaction and one iteration taking 30 seconds. So
Okay.
I will calculate the total target iteration. So total iteration calculated formula is total target iteration by one script iteration. So I will calculate the 1800 by 30. So I will, that is the 60 total target iteration. So
Okay.
one iteration is taking 30 seconds. So I will calculate the total iteration time.
Already I am already provided, right? 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Already I provided the total transactions I provided. A script contain 30 transactions I provided, and total
So I
time
will
taking from the
calculate.
one iteration I given from the 30 seconds also.
So one iteration means one user 30 seconds, right?
Yes, one user it is waiting
So
time.
I will calculate the total target transaction. That is the number of virtual users, right? So 60 users.
You should calculate target iteration or total
I will calculate the total target iteration.
total target iterations already given. You need to calculate the target iteration. Okay, first you need to calculate from the number of iterations.
So yes, I will calculate the number of iterations. So the number of iterations is 60 iterations.
Yes.
So I will calculate the 60 into 30. So 1800 total number of transactions.
Okay.
One script contain 1800. Sorry, actually I forgot that.
Okay,
Okay.
no worry. We can jump to another. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yeah. So in test plan, right? How do you can prepare the test plan? What are the things will be there?
Test plan is a roadmap of our test. Test plan contains scope, objective, and outcome of data, test data, monitoring tool, types of testing, and tool architecture, application architecture, and rules and responsibility, approach and procure, and risk and migration, exit criteria, entry criteria, and result and assumption is all are included in my test plans.
Prepare this test plan. When we can prepare this test plan?
Before the starting scripting announcement, we will prepare the test plan.
Okay. Actually, who will prepare this test plan?
Actually, who will provide the actually myself? I'm not prepared. Why? Because actually I'm the one of the team members. So I will my team leader will prepare. So if I will get that chance, I will prepare also. Actually, I have knowledge on end-to-end process. So I will also one time prepare.
Okay. Okay. Okay then. Okay. So now moving to the scripting. Like, what are the scripting challenges you faced?
I'm facing. I have worked on one of the banking application. That time I have add the interest in every account balance. So I'm using the first I will capture the all the account balance by using the correlation function a breaks a param x and pass the argument acknowledge qualita. After I will after generate the values. So this is the I cannot perform the addition. Why? Because it's a string value. So I will connect the string to integer by using the a to a function.
Okay.
After I will addition the generated values. After we cannot submission. Why? Because it's a integer value. So I will convert the integer to string value. So by using the I to a function. After I will add this submissions. After I will prepare the using the LR variables, LR save string. After I will upload that.
Okay. So I will give one scenario. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So I have the one order ID is there. Okay.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
am capturing from the through correlation.
Okay.
Okay. I
Okay.
want to create from the multiple data. I want to capture from the order IDs in the my local system. So how do we can capture that?
Multiple data, right?
Yes, multiple data. I want to capture in the my local system.
Okay. First to capture the generated value by using the correlation function, that is breaks a param
Okay.
ex.
Okay.
After I will open the file share and drive using the f open and
You
print
can
the
write. You can write.
yes, yes,
You can write. In Notepad you can write that
yes,
also.
yes. Okay.
It is just mock interview.
Okay.
Yeah. No?
Actually, I open the file path I will paste here and print the file and close the file.
Okay, you can write.
Yeah, okay. I will create one file.
In Notepad, you can write that file operation.
Okay. I am already right now.
No, just you are written f open, f print f close.
Yes.
But where is the syntax? You can write like this, you can capture.
No. Actually, I will paste. I will paste in path where exactly I will save the generated value.
Yeah, you can
The
write. What is the exactly you are writing from these three steps, right? Same thing you can write. I'm expecting that.
okay.
What you are opening?
Actually, I will open file path. So I will paste there.
Okay, file path. Okay, no,
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, Arvind, done. Huh?
Yeah, done.
Where is the variable actually? What is the name you are given from the parameter is called CID, right?
Yes.
Yeah, where you
Uh,
capture, where you are put it in the file path, or where it is there. How it will capture? You return the function, okay?
yeah.
But where you are capturing, where is the syntax?
So a+1, right? So here
So
the
if you are not given from the parameter name is a CID, how will
okay.
it capture? How
Oh.
will be read in printf? Printf,
So
how
I
will be
will.
read? Okay, no worry. Okay, yeah,
Okay.
okay, no worry. So one more scenario. Look, I have the
Okay.
two drop downs. Okay,
Okay.
okay, like it's source and destination. Okay, so
Okay.
two values. I want to generate from the randomly. So
Okay.
how to we can?
So I am using the ordinal function, ordinal argument. Using the ordinal argument. After I will enter the random value number.
Yes, manually don't write. Okay, I want from the through script you need to write like how to you can write.
So okay.
Do you know?
Yeah. Actually, you asking about capture the random source
Yes,
value,
random.
right?
Yes.
So
How to we
okay.
can capture?
Okay. First, I will correlate that source value. After, I will passing the ordinal argument. What is the value I want? So I will enter that value in ordinal. So
No,
I
no,
will write
see,
the
ordinal, see, that is fine, okay? That is
okay.
manually.
Yeah.
But I want from the automatically you want to capture from the value and what value it is capturing. And if it is a sometimes both it is also same, right? I want from
Yeah,
the
yeah.
message also in the output window.
So yeah. I am using the error handling.
Okay.
So
What is the
actually
error
I'm
handling?
error handling means so you instruct the user to perform the user any other action. If it is failed or failed, it will check that.
No, that is if it is a you have validation, you are giving from the validation. That is fine. But here
Yeah.
I am asking from that the source and same it don't capture. If it is not same, can book the ticket. I want message in
Yeah,
the
yeah.
output.
Okay. I will using the A to A function. After I will write the
Can write.
LRE. Yes, yes. Yeah, I'm using this one.
Arvind, using this, you can how you will capture destination. I am unable to see from the anywhere in the dest. How it is capture?
Okay.
So
Oh.
where you are compared, how it is equal to zero? It is happen from the source and dest.
Which value, which request is generated in source value? So I will before end of the transaction, I will
No, no, you
mention
are
that.
only no, see you are we have the two drop downs, source and dest.
Yes, yes.
So you are doing from the two correlation or one only.
Yeah, I'm do.
So, okay, you are doing for the two. Then where you are calling here?
I actually I'm after correlation is complete, right? After the correlation complete, before the end of the transaction, I will write the this function.
Okay, that is fine. Okay,
Okay,
Arvind.
okay,
Yeah, I'm
no,
asking that you are
okay.
given C underscore source. Fine.
Yeah, yeah.
But only you will get from the source value only, right?
Yes,
Where
yes.
is the
I will.
destination value?
Yeah, okay.
SM to this is LR eval string is that syntax is correct. LR eval string after the bracket. Okay, after that you are giving from the as a load runner variable. What we need to give there?
I will actually add the rand source. This is the LR variable.
Okay, only.
Okay.
No, how will it capture? So already I told as a
So
this is the load runner variable. So
yeah,
load runner variable, because first you need to write from the one more also. Like okay, LR save param, LR param random you are not written.
yes.
Just you are written only for code.
Uh,
So
yes.
that you need to write
Okay.
from that
Yes.
also, right?
Yes.
So
Yes. I
you
understand.
need to convert from that variable to the
Yeah.
load runner variable, and after
Yeah.
that you need to give from here.
Yes. LR per array random,
Okay. Yeah,
right?
then fine. Okay, next we
Yeah.
can move to the next question.
Okay.
So, for example, I have the India. Okay,
Okay.
India. So I want to capture each letter will be split. INDIA. You need to split. So you are capturing from the using from the correlation. You are captured as India. That is fine.
Okay. Okay.
But my requirement is I want to split.
Okay.
INDIA. Like each word you need to split. How to you can split?
Using the strong string tokenizer function.
Okay, you can write. Already given from the scenarios, right? You can write.
Actually, that is the I don't know that one actually.
You are done anytime. You get
No,
chance.
I didn't done any time.
What is the string tokenizer actually? Okay, that's done.
String tokenizer means you have to two strings comparing these two strings.
No, string tokenizer means only comparing two strings.
And slipped the strings.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so I'm giving for the one more. Okay, question. Okay,
Okay.
so my left boundary, right boundaries keep on changing. How you'll capture dynamic value?
So left boundary, right boundary keep on changing. I'm using the save offset agreement. If LB is
Length
uh,
is not static. Then
length is not static means I'm using the flag system.
what is the flag system?
Flag system means to eliminate the dynamic value and it's capture the digits value. So
No,
I'm
no.
using
What is
the
the dialog? Okay. How we can write flag
LB
system?
by LB by dig equal to, for suppose I have a three dynamic value, the left boundary keep on changing. So the value is high 1 and high 2, high 3. So I'm using the high H is, and I will enter
Which
the
value it is changing here? So you are given on
uh,
example.
nah,
You can
it
write
is
there. What is the example you are given? You can write
yeah,
notepad.
okay, yeah,
No, you can write what value you are told, right? You can
yes.
write that. Okay.
This is the dynamic value, Aravind. Okay,
Okay.
this is the right boundary. So I'm using the LB by dig. Dig equal to, actually dig is a capital.
What is the dig?
Dig means digital characters.
Okay.
So I'm using the H is my statistic. So I will enter the hash. I. So hash is capture the which value you are changing the. So the value is capture the hash. So I'm using
Okay.
the this function.
Okay. For example, this okay. This is fine. Okay.
Okay.
Your example only. Second, H is there, right? You can change as a K. Okay.
Mm.
KI2. You can put it. First one, second one, K. H you can remove. K I2.
Yeah.
Yeah, next one will be okay. Some D I3.
Okay.
Now how you can?
So I am using the aluminic.
Okay, write it.
Yeah.
Aluminic or alphanumeric?
Aluminic. Yes, alphanumeric actually.
Okay.
Oh. Yes.
Okay. Okay, good. So one more thing, like next question. Okay.
Okay.
So I am trying to capturing the dynamic value. Okay.
Okay.
What will happen means I am unable to capturing the dynamic value. So what is this issue?
Mm, actually, maybe issue with not present in the dynamic value response.
If it is there, response it will be there. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Responsibility will be there, and you are given from the boundaries correct, and you are given from the function also, place also correct. But you
Okay.
are unable to capturing, no match found error you are getting.
So maybe you take invalid and RB is correct. LB RB.
Yeah, LBRB correct, and function also you written from the correct place.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe you capture the more than the 64 value. Capture the dynamic value. So
More than
that is
64. What is the 64?
250 64.
Sorry.
256.
256. Okay.
Okay.
Characters
So
or bytes?
that's a bytes.
Okay.
So you can use the website max HTML permalane.
Where we can write?
Before the top of the request.
Top of the request. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. So you are done the correlation. If it is
Okay.
failing, maybe what cause of the issues? Many issues will be there, right? It's failing means
Yeah.
correlation. What kind of you can know?
Actually, you may be involved to take in LB and RB, and maybe you capture the dynamic value is more than 256 bytes, and maybe you involved right wrong place in correlation function, and correlation dynamic value is not present in the response. This issues maybe.
Okay, okay, good. Okay, so move to the next question. Okay,
Okay.
like you okay. Like we have the parametration will be there. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you are getting from the misline error when you are doing from the execution. Okay,
Okay.
so in the error you are seeing the in controller perform center, whatever may be, you are seeing the missing the new line. So you are getting that error. What is that issue?
So missing line means data line option, right?
Yeah, data line optionally. Yes, data line optionally.
So I'm going to which value miss after I will write the parameterization.
No, no. It's a line missing means when particular data is not there means maybe
Yeah.
it's a empty there line. So that is why you are getting from that error. So you need to clear that. Okay, that one clear, and
Okay.
it is a blank too. It will come to the next line. Then you are unable to get that. Okay, that is thing. Okay, and next question.
Okay.
What are the parameter types?
Parameter types means file, date and time, iteration number, unique number, random number, user ID, group name, and load generator, table, XML, user defined functions.
When you can use the load generator and XML and iteration number?
Iteration number means you have to capture the iteration value. So
Okay.
using the iteration parameterization, and XML means you have to capture the XML values and
Okay.
load generate means you have to capture the load generator value. So using the parameterizations.
Okay. What are the parameter properties?
Parameter properties means sequential each iteration and random each iteration, so unique each iteration, sequential each occurrence, unique each occurrence, random each occurrence, and sequence one, unique ones and random ones.
Okay. So what is the unique stand for?
Unique stand for every user pick the first data point and update the unused data point for each iteration occurrence.
Sorry?
You asking occurrence or iterations?
Just I asked only unique. What is the unique?
So unique means uniquely capture the parameterization, capture the IDs.
Yeah, which way, which ID? Is a used data,
Actually,
unused data.
unused data.
Yes, that I am expecting. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so going to the date and time parameterization, I want from the future date.
Yeah.
So how
Okay.
will we do that?
First, select your script in future date and right click on that, create parameter and provide the choose offset option and how many days do you want and provide that days.
Okay. What are the arguments in the correlation function?
Ordinal, save length, save offset, and not found is equal to warning, and request URL and scope header, and convert to HTML to URL to HTML, plain versa, and ignore direction. This is the arguments.
What is the convert function?
A convert function means you have to capture the dynamic value based on the HTML. We want to convert the URL mode, so using the this argument.
Okay. Okay. So what are the LR and web functions, you know?
Yes, yes.
You know? Or
Yeah. Web function means you used only web applications, and LR functions means you used any protocols.
no, no. I'm asking about, do you know LR and web functions? What
LR?
are LR functions, web functions we have
Yes, yeah, I
there?
know.
What are
Yes.
there?
Web URL, web save param ex, and web set max HTML param len, and web add header, and web add cookies, and web cleanup, web cache cleanup, and web cleanup cookies, and web set socket options, and web concrete start, and web concrete end,
What is the
and
meaning of web concurrent start and end?
marking the first and end, you create the group inside. We cannot write side inside the group, and the group indicate the download the components simultaneously.
Okay.
And LR function is LR start transaction and LR end transaction, LR eval string and LR save string and LR save int and LR about and LR exit, LR continue in error, LR set debug message. These are the
Okay.
functions.
So okay, that's fine. So I'm giving from the WebRex separum regexp also there, right? How to you
Yeah.
can write regular expression? I'm giving from the some scenario for you. Okay.
Okay.
So just I send in the chat window. So
Okay.
how to we can write the regular expression for this?
Mm, Actually, I know that, but I don't have experience in real time, regular expression. So,
That's fine. That's fine. Okay. So okay. Thank you, Arvind. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. Thank you.